In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix slow download speed on Telegram. So to get started, first you have to check your internet connection or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Restart your router or toggle airplane mode on and off, or try a speed test to confirm your connection speed. And then step 2 is you can just update your Telegram, go to Play Store or App Store, then search Telegram and go tap update if available. And if that didn't help still, go to clear Telegram cache, which is open your app Telegram and go to settings, and then from right down there you can go to data and storage, and then once you're there you can just tap on storage usage, then you can click on clear cache. If that doesn't work still, you can just go to restart your phone or the system. That's the very easiest way. And of course, if you clear cache on your system, it wouldn't delete your chats or media permanently. You can still re-download it if you wanted to. So from there, that's it. That's how you fix low download speed on Telegram.